Forget everything you know about smart glasses, because this isn't just another pair of audio-only frames. This is the brand new Meta Ray-Ban Display Edition, a $799 futuristic beast that steps completely away from the older, basic $299 model by packing a real, glowing heads-up display directly into the lens. Unboxing these feels incredibly premium. As you lift the lid, you are met with sleek, iconic black Wayfarer styling, a high-tech charging case pulsing with LED lights, and the game-changing neural band. Worn on your wrist, this band introduces pure mind control vibes, letting you interact with the interface using subtle hand and finger gestures without ever needing to awkwardly touch the frames. To see if this tech is truly worth the steep price tag, let's put it to the ultimate test, a full day one without phone challenge, leaving the smartphone face down on the table to see if we can completely survive a day on just wearable AI. Stepping outside, the freedom hits immediately as notifications and WhatsApp messages seamlessly stream into your field of view, crisp and clear against the daylight. Rather than reaching into your pocket, a simple, subtle pinch of your fingers via the neural band instantly dismisses a text. Walking down a busy sidewalk becomes a whole new experience as big, glowing navigation arrows perfectly track and overlay right onto the road ahead, ensuring you never badak or lose your way. When you stop by a cafe, capturing memories is beautifully hands-free. You just glance at your coffee to snap a high-resolution photo or glance around to organically record your friends with a tiny, blinking recording indicator in the corner of your frame. Even better, the onboard Meta AI instantly scans your food to display a live calorie count. And if you're looking at a foreign language menu, it translates the text into English right in front of your eyes. When you look confused at a monument, the glasses proactively understand the context, serving up a helpful information card. All the while, your favorite music plays flawlessly through integrated open-ear speakers, discreetly skipping tracks with a quick tap to the temple, and incoming video calls float perfectly in your upper vision, letting friends see exactly what you see. Even as day turns to night, the micro-LED setup automatically calibrates its brightness against the dark, offering absolute zero-eye strain while keeping a helpful battery indicator widget floating neatly in the corner. Honestly, setting up this HUD for the first time will make you go absolutely crazy. From the outside, onlookers just see standard stylish frames, but on the inside, you are treated to a full, vibrant floating screen that makes you feel exactly like Tony Stark. Testing the live translation speed and laughing through the finger pinch mechanisms proves that this isn't just a minor upgrade. It's an entirely new way to experience reality. Holding your smartphone in one hand and these glasses in the other makes you truly question the future of mobile tech. While $799 is a heavy investment, the utility, raw innovation, and deep ecosystem integration justify every single cent. Meta AI understands context beautifully, merging timeless Ray-Ban style with peak technological innovation. The smartphone era isn't ending tomorrow, but in the next few years, smart glasses are absolutely taking over. The future isn't coming. It's already sitting right on your face. If you want more interesting videos, then like, share, subscribe, and comment below.